ChatGPT, the groundbreaking language model developed by OpenAI, offers a multitude of possibilities to enhance productivity and broaden knowledge. Whether you seek assistance in generating ideas, understanding complex topics, or receiving personalized recommendations, ChatGPT is here to simplify your life. So what you can do with ChatGPT? Get personalized recommendations from ChatGPT. For instance, ask ChatGPT for book recommendations based on your favorite genres and receive a curated list of must-reads that match your taste. Understand complicated subjects with ease. Ask ChatGPT to explain quantum physics like you are 5, and it will provide a clear overview, breaking down complex concepts into digestible explanations. Generate ideas and brainstorm with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to come up with unique themes and creative activities for your next event, or create concepts for your next business venture. Bring in a writing assistant. Whether it's a blog post or a business email, ChatGPT can provide valuable suggestions and generate compelling content, helping you articulate your ideas effectively. Unleash your inner songwriter with ChatGPT. Collaborate with ChatGPT to create original lyrics and melodies, even emulating the style of your favorite musicians, opening up new creative avenues. Analyze sentiment and tone. Whether it's a customer review or a social media post, ChatGPT can analyze the sentiment and determine if it's positive, negative, or neutral, helping you gauge public opinion. Create multiple-choice questions effortlessly. Ask ChatGPT to generate intermediate-level questions on history, and it will create a set of engaging inquiries to challenge your knowledge. Get assistance with travel plans from ChatGPT. Share your preferences and budget, and ChatGPT can suggest ideal destinations, find flights and accommodations, and recommend local attractions and hidden gems. Effortless research summaries. Provide ChatGPT with scientific articles, and it will extract the key findings, saving you time and helping you stay up to date with advancements in your field. Break language barriers. Whether you need to understand a document in a different language or communicate with someone from another culture, ChatGPT can assist by providing accurate translations. Get coding and debugging assistance from ChatGPT. From finding syntax errors to providing code snippets, ChatGPT acts as a reliable coding companion, helping you overcome hurdles and write clean, functional code. Receive career guidance and support from ChatGPT. Seek advice on job searching, interview preparation, and professional growth strategies to enhance your career prospects. Find relevant data sets. Utilize ChatGPT to find valuable data sets for your projects. Ask it to search for climate change data sets, for example, and it will provide you with curated options from reliable sources, facilitating your research and analysis. Train ChatGPT on your own data to tailor its responses. By fine-tuning the model with your specific information, you can create a personalized AI assistant that understands your unique needs and preferences. ChatGPT becomes an indispensable tool for individuals across various domains. With ChatGPT by your side, you can unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and knowledge, making your endeavors more rewarding and fulfilling. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell.